We talk about home maintenance all of the time here on HouseSmarts, but we've been thinking there's a lot to pay attention to when the weather changes. Today, we're going to take you through some useful tips and advice for when the seasons and the calendar begin to turn the page. Gutter inefficiency can be one of the most major but avoidable causes of water damage to your home's exterior. So maintaining a free flow of rainwater through your gutters through the downspouts should rank high on your seasonal checklist. When gutters clog with leaf debris or jam with ice, the exterior of your house can start to deteriorate and rot. Clogged gutters can also cause water to overflow the gutter system, leaving staining down the sides of your home. It will require some ladder time, so if you don't feel comfortable, definitely hire a professional. The benefits of mulching are so significant that you really should be doing it all year long. Properly applied, mulch acts as a blanket to keep grass and plant roots protected over the cold winter months while keeping the moisture contained during the warmer months. Also, an essential starter for all of your outdoor springtime planting, including everything from your garden veggies to your annuals and shrubs. And mulching is always a great way to freshen up your home's curb appeal. Who doesn't like a warm, crackling fire on a chilly winter afternoon? I know I do. Let's prepare, though, before those days arrive so we can be sure of a safe, enjoyable time for all. You probably don't even remember the last time you had your fireplace flue cleaned. An efficiently operating and clean chimney is truly an important part of home ownership and is needed to keep your family safe. Your lawn and garden require regular tending to keep them looking and producing their best look for you. You put a lot of care and effort into trimming, edging, and weeding during the warmer months, but to keep that cycle going, you'll need to prep for the cooler months as well. Fall is a great time of year for dividing and trimming your perennials so your garden will look great come spring. It happens oh so gradually until all of a sudden you notice just how filthy your windows have become. Month after month and in every season, they're being exposed to all of Mother Nature's elements, and long-term, that will take their toll on the look and efficiency of them. With some clean water, some suds, and a little elbow grease, you can have them looking as they should, both from the inside and out. You probably never even think about it. You just expect it to work. Yes, we all know the importance of keeping your dryer's lint trap clean, but how often do you ever think about the dryer vent itself? This is where the critical exiting of the dryer exhaust takes place, and this vent must remain unobstructed for consistent airflow. You'll need your vacuum and a long brush to tackle this one, but surely worth the effort. It's time to take a look around your property and size up any dead, loose, half-broken, or dangerously located tree limbs close to the house. You know, the ones that you've been meaning to take care of since last season. Well, let's do it now before they bud or the heavy winds and snow begin to fall again. You can get those hard-to-reach ones with the pole pruner, and don't forget to wear your safety glasses. Most decks are made of wood or some other composite faux wood material. Although a new deck will always look great when first installed, over time, it will need some ongoing maintenance. At HouseSmarts, we suggest periodically inspecting for loose boards or popping nails or screws. And occasionally, you will need to power wash, waterproof, or treat that deck surface and possibly have some of those rotted pieces replaced. Well, there's a lot to tackle here. Just take it one step at a time and give yourself a head start on the upcoming season so you can fully enjoy it.